Hi, yes, a colleague and I, Dennis Overton, and I have set up a group, co-chaired by ourselves, to try to develop the opportunity that exists in Scotland for aquaculture growth out to 2030. So we see that there's never been an industry-led strategy going right out for a period of 15 years plus, which sets out what the scale of the opportunity is and actually how we might get there. In other words, what the blockers and constraints are and how we might deal with these in a deliverable way. But in fact, an industry-led strategy to get out there. Yeah, in the workings of the group, the first thing we've done is try to identify what the main constraints to growth are. And therefore what the fixes might be for these constraints. So we've been systematically working our way through over a period of 5 months thus far, identifying what these blockers are, consulting widely with various people, agencies, companies, organizations, individuals, and trying to come up with a consensus on what a deliverable recommendation could be to remove that constraint and thereby seize the opportunity for the growth that we think is available in the industry, which might be something of the scale of double of the current size. Yeah, sustainability is absolutely at the core of the vision. The Scottish aquaculture industry has been very, very concerned about sustainability, had the various issues around about sustainability to the fore over many, many years now. However, what we see developing today is a more mature understanding of sustainability. And sustainability really, as understood, is known as perhaps the 3 pillars of sustainability, which is social, economic and environmental progress. So in society today we see that you cannot have social progress and environmental progress without any environmental impact. The question is for us an industry is to make sure that we minimize what the environmental impact is for the given social and economic benefit that we require as a country. The main challenge just now for Scottish aquaculture, particularly when talking about salmon, is unquestionably that roundabout biological challenges, particularly sea lice. As well known, well understood as a challenge, and there are many initiatives underway at the moment to try to overcome these challenges. The other constraints that we see are constraints round about a streamlined consenting process and the balance actually of how one views the sustainability of aquaculture, taking social and economic benefit into account.